everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Carol. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this colorful eye makeup look, which is kind of different from what I generally do on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I want to focus more on the eyes because it's going to be a nice, colorful, vibrant look. So I just want to focus on what I'm going to be doing on the eye area, which is why I've already done my base pretty much. So I've done foundation and contour. For foundation, I have used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. And for contour, I've used the M.A.C foundation stick, the Studio Fix foundation stick in the shade NC50. And I've also set my face with a little bit of powder because just in case my eyeshadows fall on my face, I don't want it to stick to my base. And for that, I have used the Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC35. I haven't really done any concealer right now because I am pretty sure that I'm going to drop colors onto my under eye area and I don't want to redo the whole thing. So I just left it bare, and once I finish the eyes, I will go ahead and conceal. Okay, so without talking too much and wasting too much time in the beginning, because statistics have it that you guys drop out really quickly if I blabber too much. So without wasting more time, I'm going to dive straight into the tutorial. So of course, I'm going to start with eyebrows like I do in every other video or every other tutorial. And can you guess which eyebrow pencil I'm going to use for this? If you've been watching my videos, you would know that the eyebrow pencil that I am going to use is the M.A.C eyebrow pencil in the shade dark gray. Okay, now I want my eyebrows to be thick and dark. So I am going to make it a little more defined, especially on this arc area. Just moving the pencil in the direction of hair growth. For those of you who are new to this channel, let me just tell you that if you want to learn how to do your eyebrows well, like you want to watch an in-depth video on how to do it, you can check out my channel. There is a full lengthy, well, not too lengthy, but in-depth tutorial of how to do your eyebrows perfectly. So you can check that out. Also guys, if you have any questions, any doubts, any confusions on how to do any of these looks that I create tutorials on, please ask me, because I'm just like making videos and tutorials and putting it out there, but I don't really get any queries on the comment section. A lot of you ask me questions, but on my Instagram DM, which is great as well, but I would love for it to be in the comment section right here so that the other people who watch the videos can also learn from the doubts that you guys have. Yep, so eyebrows done. Now I'm going to quickly move into concealer. For concealer, I'm using the Colourful Derma Color Concealer Palette. I'm using this palette because I have it and I like to use palettes. Since I'm a makeup artist, I always like to mix colors. That is why I'm using this palette, and also because it gives a lot of coverage. So I'm just using the concealer to cut out the edges and define the eyebrows a little bit more. And I'm pulling it down and on the entire eyelid to work as a base for my eyeshadows. Since I am going to be working with a lot of colors today, and I want the colors to really pop, I'm going to use this lighter concealer so that whatever colors I put on top of it will show a lot better. And I'm just going to dab it in place. We're going to quickly do up the other eye also the same way. I just thought that since we've been hearing so much of like news that's disturbing recently in the past few days or even past few months, I just felt like doing something colorful, playing with color, just having a lot of fun with makeup today. So that's why I'm doing this blue-green kind of eye makeup. And I've also like gotten very good responses for the colorful makeup that I'm doing. So I thought, let me just do that, since that's also one of my strong points, I would say, the more colorful, artistic kind of makeup. So I thought, let me do a tutorial on that. Initially, I was a little skeptical to do looks that are not traditional or not very widely worn, because I was like, why would people want to learn something that they probably would never do? But it looks like you guys are interested to at least watch these videos and like watch makeup that's colorful, etc, etc. So I thought, let me just create this video and let me see what the response is going to be. Now I'll only know once I put this video out there and once I get the response from all of you. So please watch it if you want me to create more of such kind of videos. I'm using again the M.A.C eyeshadow palette. The name of this is It's Designer. And I'm going to start with this pink color right here. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. This is the PAC 392 brush. It's a nice fluffy brush, but not too big, not too small, to blend the pink into the crease. Take a little bit of the pink eyeshadow and I'm just blending it into the crease. So I like to blend it in circular motions. Pulling it out as well. And even if you've gone too high with the color, if you've gone too close to the eyebrows, it's fine. We can fix it later. We can soften it down with a compact powder. And let's create the same thing on the other eye. So while I'm doing the other eye, you guys can actually like revise the step that I did here so that it sticks in your memory a lot better. So first dab out the creases that's formed on the eyes because of the concealer. And then using a fluffy brush, picking up the pink, moving it in circular motions, diffusing the whole color, pulling it outward. I think recently I've been loving like pink a lot in terms of makeup. I don't know. I'm just in the mood for colorful makeup. Yeah, I just want to play with colors. And maybe I might binge do this. Maybe the next 5 videos you see will be colorful makeup. Like I already did one, which is the Pride makeup look. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it. If you've not, you must check out that video. It's on my YouTube channel. And then yesterday I did another look, but that wasn't a video. It was just a photo on my Instagram. Again, if you are not following me on Instagram, you should if you're interested in some fun makeup looks, fun makeup tips, tutorials, etc. Also, I put out all my bridal work, shoots, and my like professional work out there on Instagram. So the pink is done. Now I'm going to slowly move into the serious colors like blue, green, and all of those colors. So I'm going to pick up this color right here, the blue, and taking a slightly less fluffy brush. It's got a little bit of pink from yesterday's look, and I'm going to take the blue color and I'm going to start diffusing that into the outer corner of the eye, first placing it, and then I'm going to blend it into the crease. I'm going to be very careful and try to not have any fallouts. So you need to first pack on the product, and then whatever's remaining on the brush you can blend so that it doesn't fall too much or it doesn't have too much fallouts. You know, so I tried scripting my videos as well, like writing scripts for the tutorials. I tried 2 or 3 videos like that, but I just feel like it didn't do it for me. Like it really didn't work for me. I was being too conscious and I was like just stammering so much. So I thought today again, let me go back and try the impromptu style of video. And when I edit it, I will know which one worked better. But I really feel like I feel a lot more free and like, yeah, a lot more relaxed with this impromptu style for the tutorial part. But I definitely think it helps to script what you want to do, and like if you have some main ideas for cuts in terms of edit or the style of video that you're going for, I think those things need to be planned. But what I'm going to say for a tutorial, I think should be very organic because it comes out also very natural then. So I'm going to go ahead with this black color right here. I'm going to place it right on the outer corner, just till the crease. So I want all the 3 colors to be visible, the black, the blue, and the pink. Next, we're going to go in with a nice vibrant green, but I'm going to create a cut crease look here. So I'm going back to the concealer. I'm going to use a light concealer. I think I'll use like this color. Okay. And I'm using a flat semicircular tip brush. You could use any brand, guys. It doesn't really matter so much. And I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm going to create a semicircle on my eyelids. And then just merge it with the rest of it. You can use your fingers also to dab it down in place. And I'm going to pick up this green right here, place it on the concealer. So what happens is the color sticks to the concealer. Also, because we've used a concealer that's very light in color, the green looks a lot more vibrant than it would on bare skin. I kind of succeeded in avoiding fallouts, but this green has just messed it up for me. Look. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Very light-handedly, very light-handedly. Why am I stammering? I don't understand what's happening. To clean this up, I'm using a cotton pad and I'm using this makeup remover from Garnier. Now, this is the oil-based remover, so it's really strong, which is why I'm going to take just one tad bit of it like that and clean this up. Because if I take too much, it's going to just spread everywhere and sort of mess up the look because there is oil in this particular makeup remover. Whenever you're cleaning the eyes, always clean it upward so it lifts the eye. Alright, now I'm going to conceal my under eyes. Like all of a sudden, I don't know if it happens in like your area as well, but here I realized like ever since the lockdown has started, the vegetable guys have gotten like mics and loudspeakers and all to scream out the names of their vegetables, yeah. I mean, I understand like the need for them to sell it now is more than ever, but it doesn't work for me. Like they're always screaming on their loudspeakers. Potato, tomato, paper. The paper guy always screamed though. And then I'm going in with the M.A.C Studio Fix powder to set it all in place. I'm going in with the pink just so that it stands out and placing it right under the lash line. Okay, let's try to add a little bit of blue on the outer corner and see how that works. Like just a little bit right here. And then intensify the pink a little bit more. A little bit of Monica is all I want, a little bit of Rita. I don't know the lyrics. Anyway, I'm gonna create a winged eyeliner. So starting from the outside. You guys know how I do my eyeliner, so I'm not gonna really explain it too much. Okay, so I've gone ahead and created a slight peak on the inner corner as well. I'm gonna quickly just do up the other eye off camera, put on mascara and lashes and come back. This full look is completely matte, so I thought some glitter, you know. So I'm going to use this. This is a liquid eyeshadow from Forever 52. It's a brand called Forever 52. Some of their eye products are really nice, like their eyeshadow palette. I'm in love with. But I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow as an eyeliner. So I'm going to pick up a little bit on a pointed brush, and I'm going to place it right above the black liner. I'm going to contour my face a little bit more. I'm going to use the M.A.C Pro Longwear powder in the shade Dark Deep. For blush, I'm using the M.A.C blush in the shade Dolly Mix. I'm going to keep the lips a little bit nude but with like a tad bit of shine. So I'm using this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Blush and Nude. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. It kind of looks like a gloss, no? Voila, we're done with both eyes and we're done with the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like such colorful looks maybe. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. Please let me know in the comments below. So at least I'll know what kind of videos to create and yeah, like what kind of makeup to do. Honestly, I personally like the colorful and like the little more creative styles of makeup. But if you don't like it, then I won't do it. It's as simple as that, guys. So just let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, you know the rule. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let's build this family together. Until the next time, take care. Bye.